Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating little story called Famous Flick. It's about an aunt with a unique talent. She can flick away any conversation, no matter how serious, in just seconds. Sounds interesting, right? But there is more to it than just a quirky trait. The story is packed with lessons about communication, empathy, and knowledge. When to let things go. Whether you are here to improve your English speaking skills, learn new vocabulary, or just enjoy a good story, this video is for you. We will break down the story, explore its meaning, and even practice some pronunciation and expressions together. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started with Famous Philip. Famous Flake. Once there was an insect, an ant. She had a unique ability. She could change or dismiss any conversation with seconds, no matter how serious the topic was. She would flick it away just like brushing dust off a coat. She never cared about anyone's opinion or emotions. Over time, this habit became part of her personality. Other insects noticed and started calling her Famous Flake. They often used her as an example of how someone could ignore serious matters effortlessly. Moral: sometimes it's better to let things go instead of overthink. And that is the story of Famous Flake. What did you think? Did you relate to the hand habit of flicking things away? Or do you think it's important to face conversations head on? Let me know in the comment below. I would like to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for improving your speaking skills, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more stories, lessons, and tips. Remember, communication is a skill, and the more you practice, the better you will get. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to let go of small stuff. Just like Famous Flick. Bye for now.